Hello everyone, here I am going to explain the program 5 of microcontroller and embedded systems lab. The question is, write a program to find the square of number 1 to 10 using lookup table. So first we will see what is lookup table. Lookup table is a block of data that is held in the program memory and can be accessed by the program and used within it. Lookup tables, there are so many lookup tables. For example, we can say to get the square values, then to get the ASCII values, to get 7 segment LED values. For all these we have different types of lookup table. All the lookup tables are stored in program memory, so whenever we want to access it by giving the proper address of the table, we can access it in the program. So here I am going to use the lookup table which gives the square value from 0 to 10. 0, 1, this is square of 0, square of 1, square of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are decimal values. Corresponding hexadecimal values are 0, 1, 4, 9, 10, 19, 24, 31, 40, 51, 64. Now I am going to assume address for this table. The first address I am assuming 0000000020. So next address is 24 because all these are double word 32-bit data, double word. So we are using DCD directive. It define 32-bit data. So in 32-bit data, for the next address we have to add 4 with the PC content, program counter content. Okay, so it is 20, next time it is 24, next time it is 28, next time it is 29, 29, 2A, 2B, 2C, next to 30, like that. So in the program, see the program, this is the program. Here we have taken data 8. For 8 only we are going to find the square. So when we calculate 8 square is equal to 64 decimal, 64 decimal equivalent 64 decimal is equal to 40. So this is the result which we have to get through the program. See, according to this address table, this 40 can be found in 00000040 address. So for this concept we are going to write the program. In this program, we know the result is available in the lookup table. Only we have to write the code to access the lookup table. So we should know in which location the square of 8 is available, and after knowing that particular address, we should fetch the address from the memory, so that when we fetch if we know the address, we can fetch the square of 8. So we are going to write the program to fetch the address of this square of 8. Starting address which we assumed is 00000020. So 202428. So for this 8 only we are going to calculate the square. So square of 8 is 40. This is available in 40 address. You can see here 40 address. Program. First we will write area, square, code, read only, then entry, start. First instruction LDR R0, comma, equal to table. So from the lookup table, first data address is moved to R0 register, which I assumed is 00000020. Next R1 is equal to 8. So this is for this 8 data only I am going to find the square. Next, we know that the result is available in lookup table. Only we need to find the location. So to calculate the location, what operation I am doing is move only. See, for this register R1 content, for this 8 value, I am doing left shift by 2 bits. This operation, this is used to find the location of square of 8. So how to perform this logical shift left? See, I am doing shift left to the R1 content. R1 is 8. This 8 I converted to binary values. So 000000008. Now I have to do left shift by 2 bits. So left shift means in MSB side I have to shift last 2 bits outside. So when I shift MSB 2 bits outside, in LSB 2 bits will become empty, so that should be filled with zeros. So this side in MSB side 2 bits I have shifted out, in LSB 2 zeros I have filled it. So this is the new data. After the left shift. So this data is 0000002020. This will be available with R1 register. Now I am adding this R1 register. R1 register is 20. R0 register is also 20. So 2020 I will get 40. So this is the content of R0. R0. Now from the R0 register I am moving the content to R3 register. See 000040. So you remember the table. In the table 40, in 40 address we have the square of 8. The square of 8 is 40 only. Square of 8 is 64 decimal. Corresponding hexadecimal value is 40. So that one I am loading to R3 register. So the final result will be available with R3 register. Now we can execute this using Kale software. Okay students, here I have typed the program, square program, and after typing I have to save with .asm. I should add the file into target. Everything I did, so you can see here square is available in the source group, and I deleted that starter file also. After doing everything, you can build the target. 0 errors, 0 warning. Now you can debug it. Debug. Okay. Okay. So say in the first instruction, we are moving the table value to the R0 register. Table value we don't know. You can check the register. So we will run the program by step by step. So click on that. See, in the first step we found the value table address. The first address of the lookup table is 000020. So now by using memory window you can find the data available in the memory. For that you have to do view memory window. Memory window initially which will be like that, like this. So first we can check. Now you can check. Now we know the address of the lookup table, no? So you can type the address here 0x00000002. Sorry, 20. So you can see the first data is 32-bit zeros. So 000000. Next data is 000001. So first lower bit will be available. So here you can see 01000000. Next data is 0 followed by 004. So the first data 04. 04 is here. Next 000000. Next 9. 9 is here. Next 10. 10 is here. Next 19. 19 is here. 24 is here. 31, 40, 51, 64. Everything you can find here. So these are the input value. Now we will run the program. So first is over. See, the program counter is pointing here. Now 8 R1 will get the value 8. R1 is 8. Next instruction R1. So when we do left shifting by 2 bit, we will get 20. We did it in the program 20. So it is 20. 20 is stored in R1 register. So you can see R1 is 20. Now add R0 comma R1. R1 is 20 because R0 is also 20. R1 is also 20. So when you add these two, you will get 40. That will be available with R0. So next time R0 will become 40. R0 is 40. Okay. Now you are storing the R3. Sorry, you are loading the register R3 from the content of R0. R0 we have found that it is 400040. So from that memory location we are moving the data to R0 register. So what we can do now, you can check the memory content. Now you see this means the output is available with the with this memory location. So you can check here, instead of 20 I am putting 40. See, this is 40. See, we know that a square of 8 is 64 decimal value. The corresponding hexadecimal value is 40. So this is available with this memory location. That memory location is 00000040. So in that memory location we can find 40. So one more thing you can check. See the 10. square of 10 is square of 10 is 64. That will be available with this is 40 na? Next address will be 44, next address will be 48. You can check 48. In 48 see 64 is available. In 44 you can find 51. 51 register value also you can check. See R3. So from this memory, in memory you have 40 that moved to R3 register, so that it became red color. From the memory it moved to register, so only it became red color. So this is the execution part of finding square. Thank you.